Hello. I'd like to take a few minutes just to describe to you the indescribable, which at this moment I'll label as reality. That which is so immense that it includes everything, and yet that which is absolutely nothing. You see why this is not the territory for the mind to go, because the truth, that which truly is, cannot be held in a concept, because it embraces both polarities, you see. It is everything and nothing at the same time. 100% everything, 100% nothing. This is why, you see. So we exercise and attempt to keep the mind quiet, because in that silence, in that stillness, you can sense what reality is. But when you lose yourself in that silence, it is actually also everything. So you can picture it like this. You have your life, you have your thoughts and your feelings and your actions, but they all are contained within something. All of the actions, all of the thoughts, all of the feelings of all of the billions of people are contained within something. And that something must be immense, because it holds everything. Everything. Now the thing about it is that when you find yourself resting in that stillness, in that silence, without the activities of the thinking mind interfering with all the this and that's of life, when you find yourself resting in that stillness, in that silence, you no longer have the feelings of guilt or shame or pride. All of that doesn't arise anymore. There's so many things in your daily life that are directly a result of you thinking yourself to be an individual, a person. In fact, this idea of you as a person is very limiting and only lasts for a very, very short time. I'm talking about that which never changes. And that which never changes is always with you. Your awareness of it doesn't really matter, because it's 100% with you, whether you're aware of it or not. So when you can, just concentrate on that sense of being. And in there you will find a presence that is beyond words, but is always present. So more and more, rest at least in the knowledge that that which you truly are is with you always. You can never lose it. Okay. That's a little taste of what is, what truly is. It's beyond words. It's beyond concepts. And hopefully these pointers were enough to give you a feeling for what I'm talking about, you see. This is the place where we all meet as one, in that essence, in that presence. We all meet as one there. There is no more distinction. There is no more difference. Everything is embraced by that same energy. Sagranad Maharaj Ki Jai.